along with Cypress.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Then, like, is there any specific framework that you want to learn or just the TypeScript?
There are certain topics I mean to say. I think I already shared. 1 second. Mm. Data types and objects in TypeScript, arrays, tuples and functions, interface and type aliases, classes and abstract classes, type assertions and type words, modules and namespaces, declaration files and working with the libraries, asynchronous TypeScript promises, async await. And if there is anything needed, then I will let you know.
Got it. Got it. Basically, we need TypeScript from the very first part, from the basics.
Yes.
Okay. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, yeah. And one more thing, like I really don't have any sort of programming experience or knowledge. Prior to that, I was into operations.
Okay.
So this is my first programming assignment.
Okay. Then do you know JavaScript?
No, not really. Only just a
Okay.
basic idea. Basic idea means very basic. You can say like ground level.
Okay. Okay. Then I'm afraid to learn TypeScript. We need to learn JavaScript because TypeScript is a wrapper on top of JavaScript.
Okay.
Uh, as you can see, this is TypeScript official documentation.
Okay.
TypeScript is JavaScript with syntax for types.
Okay.
Basically, TypeScript is JavaScript, but it is a wrapper which is made on top of JavaScript to make this language a bit strict. JavaScript seems to be a little lenient on rules. JavaScript doesn't follow many rules. So TypeScript is made so that JavaScript can be made with tighter rules.
Okay.
It is the first thing how the TypeScript came into picture. So earlier there was JavaScript, people were using JavaScript for a whole lot of things. Like we are using JavaScript for front end, back end, or even using for scripting and stuff. But it is bit
Okay.
sorry. So these are the things. This is the basic of JavaScript history of TypeScript. Like JavaScript is there. It can be used in creating front end, back end, even testing. So there are multiple frameworks for testing, as you mentioned that you want to deep dive into testing. The first framework which comes in top of mind is Jest, which is used a lot in React programming testing, which is based on TypeScript.
Okay.
As you see, this is a testing framework, Jest. Uh, JavaScript testing framework, it says, but it now uses TypeScript too. Works on Node, React, Angular, and Vue. So this is the most foremost framework, which we'll learn further. Just the name for now. So first of all, if we see JavaScript playground, yeah, this is a JavaScript playground, basic playground. So we have two things here. There is a message, const message. Message is being declared with the label const. The message is hello world. Okay, forget about this statement. We don't need this. So we don't know what type of message is this. Is this a number? Is this a string? What is it? We don't know. We can understand from the word that it is a string because it is hello in world. Suppose I'm writing 10 here instead of hello world. Okay. Now we cannot define what kind of statement is this. Is this a string? Is this a number? We don't
Number.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can say it is a number, but if I do number plus 2, the answer should be 12, but in this case, it is giving 102. Why? Because this is considering it as a string. So this is what JavaScript does. JavaScript doesn't know which type of language it is. But if we try with TypeScript, we can open a playground of TypeScript here, and we want to do the same thing. What we can do here, same thing. It is declared as a string, hello world. Here I am doing this. Okay, I'll run it. It shows 10. I'll do +2 here. Same code, exact same code, it gives 102. Okay, but in TypeScript, what we can do, we can write string here, which defines that it is a string, and plus operation doesn't work on string. If you see now, it is giving an error here
Okay.
that it is a string type and not a number type. Now, if I'm making it as a number explicitly, I'm defining it as a number, I give here as a number, then I do +2, it should work. It is giving 12.
Okay.
So this is the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript, the most basic difference. Why TypeScript is introduced? This is the reason why the TypeScript is introduced. To make types statically typed, strictly typed in JavaScript language. So I think
Okay.
before learning TypeScript, before deep diving into TypeScript, it is having a lot of things. TypeScript is a wrapper, that's why it is having a lot of things. It supports a lot of things. We should learn the basics of programming with JavaScript first, is what I think that
Okay.
we should do.
Okay.
However you want it, we can go with that. I don't have any issue. But this is how we should move forward, is what I think.
Yeah. And the basic thing is, it's, I don't have any sort of programming, as I said earlier.
Mhm.
So I really don't know what are the syntaxes, how to identify the string or something. I heard the words like string, boolean, or something, those things. But in reality, when it comes in programming, how to use them, what kind of syntax we need to be there in JavaScript or TypeScript. So I'm completely not aware of those things.
Okay, okay. So no worries, we can decide on it. If you think to move forward, we can decide on it.
Yeah. So and the thing is that so I have limited amount of time. So can it be learned on fast track? Like even I'm not sure how far I'm going to take it also. There's a lot
Okay.
of things that got inputted in my mind. I'm not sure, but I have a limited amount of time.
How much time do you have?
Actually, it's supposed to be on the last week, but someone has given a big hand. So that's what they have given me 15 days time.
Okay, okay.
By 25th of July or something, 26th, I need to make sure that I know the concepts.
How much time can you give daily?
Daily, yeah, I can give time. It's in office also. I have got somewhere around 2 hours of time to practice, and once I come home, I have time for this only.
Okay, okay. Yeah, sure. I think we can do a bunch of things in 15 days. I'll give me a day. I'll make a plan of 15 days of what we can do and how we can cover all this in
In
15
weekends,
days.
if I spend more time, it would be
Yeah, sure. I don't mind that.
okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do let them know. Do let them know if you think to continue. I will make a plan for it, like how many days we can do. Oh, sorry, like in 15 days, how we can move forward.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, okay.
Is it possible for you to give training in the morning?
Morning as in, sorry, I'm not getting about morning.
Morning, I'm saying morning 7 to 8:30, something like that. 7.
7 to 8:30.
Yeah,
Morning,
morning.
no, sorry, no, not possible for me mornings.
Okay, okay. Only evenings.
Only evenings, yes.
Okay, okay. Sure, sure.
Do let them know.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I will tell them. Yeah.
Okay.